Wondering which of our magnetic lashes will be best for your eye shape? In today's video, we will be talking about different eye shapes and which of our magnetic lashes will suit your eyes best. Before we get started, to make sure you never miss any of our videos, you can subscribe to our channel down below and make sure you hit the bell icon to be notified anytime we post. Let's jump into the video. We know that finding the best magnetic lash to fit your eye shape isn't always easy. Eyes come in all different shapes and sizes, obviously. And choosing the perfect lash for your eyes can sometimes feel, overwhelming, I guess. But have no fear, MoxieLash is here. I'm like a superhero. You can't see my hand. It's on my hip. Okay, needless to say, we are going to help you guys find your perfect match based on your eye shape. One of the best things about our magnetic lashes is that they're so transformative. Different lashes flatter different eye shapes, and they can even dramatically change the way your eyes look. Of course, we will have all of the lashes that we're going to be talking about today linked down below in the description box so that it's easy to find them and click on your perfect lash. And of course, I only have one eye shape, so I will be inserting pictures of different eye shapes to help you guys decide which eye shape you have, and then I will be trying on the lashes so that you guys can get an up close and personal shot of the lashes and you can see them in action. So starting off with almond eyes. If you have almond-shaped eyes, they're going to be slightly pointed at the ends, with the iris, which is the colored part of your eyes, touching both the top and the bottom lids. To best frame your oval eyes, you're going to want to choose a lash that is full, wispy, and has drama. Our favorite lash for an oval eye shape is our Sassy lash. But lucky for those of you out there with almond eyes, honestly, almost any one of our lashes is going to complement your eyes perfectly. The next lash shape we're going to be talking about is deep set eyes. Ladies with deep set eyes have eyes that sit underneath the brow bone. This means that you want to choose lashes that curl up and away from our eyes. For this eye shape, we love our Baddy lash. Baddy lash curls and lifts, so it's going to open your eyes up. But we also love Wifey, Money, and Flirty for those of you out there with deep set eyes. Next, we have the hooded eye shape. Hooded eyes means that you have an eyelid crease that's either hidden or less visible. It could also mean that your brow bone is more prominent, so that means you have less lid space. Sometimes this eye shape can be a little more difficult to apply false lashes to, but don't worry, we've got you covered. To make your eyes pop, you're going to want to choose a lash that has longer hairs in the center of the lash. This is going to add the illusion of depth. We recommend our flashy lash for those of you out there with hooded eyes. But we also love Sassy and Flirty for our hooded eye babes out there. By the way, let us know in the comments down below which eye shape you are. Next up, we have the monolid eye shape. With the monolid eye shape, the eye crease will not be visible. So to accentuate and balance it out, you want to choose lashes that are feathery and emphasize that outer edge. Our baby lash is our multi-layered fluttery lash with a bit of flare at the ends, making it the perfect complement for this eye. You can also check out Cheeky, Classy, and Wifey for the monolid. Last but not least, we have the round eye shape. If you have round eyes, your iris will be mostly visible. With this eye shape, you want to avoid any heavy lashes that are going to make your eyes look smaller. Instead, choose a lash that lifts and curls up towards your top lid, like our Flirty lash. We also love Sassy, Sexy, and Flashy for our round eye shape babes. Now you should have all the information that you need to choose the best magnetic lashes for your eye shape. If you need help with how to actually apply the lashes, check out this video where we walk you through step by step. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.